Welcome, beautiful people, to Nanave's Kitchen. Today we're making homemade ginger ale from the scratch. If it's homemade, it has to be from the scratch, doesn't it? Yes, when you have that excitable tummy that won't settle down, you need ginger ale, that soothing ginger flavor to help it settle down. So far, we have prepped our ginger by washing it, peeling it, and dicing it. And also, our complementing ingredient, which is going to bring us a citrus kick, has also been diced, and that is our lime, and we only need one. Next step is blending our ingredients with some drinking water in order to extract the juice. First, we need our ginger, followed by the lime. We need 3 cups of drinking water straight into the blender. Let's blend it up. It's incredible how just 2 ingredients can make such an impact with your aroma. So refreshing, friends. Next step is we're going to cook this with our sweetener. And onto the fire on medium heat, you'll place your saucepan and pour about 1/4 cup of the ginger and lime mixture into it. And then you'll follow up with your sweetener of choice. Today I'm using good old granulated sugar, but you can use honey, you can use agave, you can even use a 0-calorie sweetener such as stevia or Splendor. And there will be a slight difference in the preparation if you do end up choosing to use a 0-calorie sweetener. So stay tuned, I will talk about that shortly. So I've poured my sugar in and now I'm cooking it still on medium heat. What I'm trying to achieve here is for the sugar to completely dissolve and become a golden color. And you'll also benefit from adding just a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt goes a long way to balance the sweetness that sugar offers. So when you're using sugar in your cooking or your baking, an almost insignificant addition of salt becomes that very important ingredient that brings balance. So you want to continue cooking, stirring consistently, not ever walking away from your saucepan at this point until it turns this color right here. A very attractive, vibrant golden color. That is perfection. So at this point, you're going to pour in the rest of your ginger lime juice. And because there is no longer any moisture in your saucepan, the sugar that's caramelized is going to become crystallized. No worries. What you want to do now is turn the heat down to the lowest setting and continue stirring patiently until the crystallized caramelized sugar becomes dissolved. Now, caramelizing your sugar is a step I would not encourage you to skip because it gives you a really beautiful toasty taste, which takes it from simple to slightly complex. A desirable flavor you'd be happy with. Totally. It is screaming ginger ale aroma in this home. The smell of ginger and lime, the best smell ever, has filled the entire home. Can't wait to drink this. And this is where your sister Madame loves to throw in one of her favorite words while cooking. Perfection. Yes, you guessed that right. So now we have a syrup, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. You want to remove it from the range right now because it needs to cool all the way down before it's served. And today I was pressed for time, so I created an ice water bath to help hasten the cooling down of the syrup. So I just transferred it into a glass measuring cup and set it in the ice water bath. I stirred it periodically while I was cleaning up, and voila, it was ready to serve. Now, for those who cannot tolerate pure sugar in their diets, or just prefer to use a no-calorie sweetener such as Splenda or stevia, you'd have to skip the step of caramelizing the sugar. What you'd want to do is to heat up the entire mixture of ginger and lime, and once it's heated up, you add your sweetener, stir it till it's dissolved, and then you serve. So you will actually miss the caramelized color. And no worries, it'll still taste just like your ginger ale, but from the store, just better. Now, we're pouring it into our serving glass. I have some ice in there. So remember, this is a syrup, so just a little bit will go a long way, and you'd want to top it up with carbonated water. Stir it up with your straw and sip on. So refreshing. Absolutely delicious, friends. This is way better than the store-bought version. I promise you, you have to try this. You will never buy ginger ale from the store ever again, because quite frankly, my darlings, this actually tastes like real ginger. You ever tried the one from the store before and you wondered what in the world did they use? It doesn't even taste like ginger. And ginger is supposed to be the main ingredient. Well, I think we've solved a problem today for you and I both. Friends, try this recipe. You will not regret it, and you will never buy store-bought ginger ale ever again. Just look at this beauty. I hope you've learned a thing or two and are inspired to try the recipe. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.